If you don't subscribe, then you don't get no fries.
Hyper Jalen, and I'm in.
Yo, what it do, man? It's one of the hype gentlemen, and I'm back another video right now. Look, so today, man, I got that BLP Kosher-Antlers, man. I got the glasses on. Y'all should already know. Y'all should already know what the vibe is, man. The BLP, man, y'all. Shoot, he lit. He up and coming. He's finally getting his attention he deserved. And my nigga, he gonna rock out regardless, man. Y'all gotta stop hating on my man. I used to be sleeping hating on this man too, but you can't. My boy got bars, so many bars, nigga. The Jews couldn't even get out the goddamn, you feel me? But look, we're gonna go ahead and check this antlers out, man. See what my boy, see if he's smoking on Nazis or something, this one, man. But y'all make sure you like, comment, subscribe, dog, and that stuff. Turn on post those nukes if you don't subscribe. That motherfucker, you don't get no prize. I feel it, man. Let's run it up. And it's crazy, he named this shit antlers. The nigga hair look like fucking deer antlers or some shit. You feel me? What up?
No way, Jose.
Yeah.
Look at life from different point of views, there's many options.
Yeah.
Put yourself in somebody else's shoes and get to walking. They say kosher shit, you fly, BLP, Mary Poppins.
Yeah.
If I see them boys in person, Glock gon' sing like Janis Joplin. My chop on is period, circumcision.
He said Glock gonna sing like Janet. Man, bar. If you know, you know. I ain't finna keep explaining y'all. Y'all better go do your research, bro.
Boys in person, Glock gon' sing like Janis Joplin. My chop on is period, circumcision on the Glock. I'm about to switch the clip and yeah, I get to the bag. No colostomy, all these shit and jitting them boys. Pussy cat, they shooting houses. Call it ripping dip, it's for some R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I'm just a land on your turf, I'm on your turf just like it's my own land.
Yeah.
Fuck a crack a hoe, I got my dick all in her diaphragm. Buy my gun a new anatomy, it might be bi or trans. I don't think you see just what I mean, go get a little eyes in.
Did that nigga say he's bought a new Glock, a new anatomy? That might be a bio. Man, what the fuck? What y'all know about y'all anatomy though, bro? Nigga, cause I used to study that shit. What y'all really know about y'all anatomy, man? This nigga must have been an A+ student. Cause there ain't no fucking way, bro. Nigga, it ain't, bro. No, bro. It ain't no way. It ain't no way in hell, bro. Be knowing somebody doing something with this nigga, bro. Or he doing something we don't fucking, man, no.
Anatomy, it might be bi or trans. I don't think you see just what I mean, go get a little eyes in. BLP kosher with the motherfucking antlers.
Yeah.
If you're in my way, I push you to the side like you a planner. You can look inside your face and see he's not a happy camper.
Yeah.
I'ma stay beside that pole just like a fucking flash dancer.
Damn.
We be toting heavy, I don't feel like Mike. Cause my pockets swelling up, I need a motherfucking ice.
Yeah.
Remember when they used to try me back when I ain't fighting back, but fuck.
He said, remember they used to try me, nigga, when I ain't fight back. Now I guarantee you, he said, now nigga, yeah, he about to say it. He either say he fight y'all niggas, yeah. Nigga, one of the two. Hey. Shit. This nigga got, bro. Nigga got so many, bro. Nigga so fire, got so many bars. Nigga got me coughing up goddamn fire, nigga. Like, come on.
I don't feel like Mike, cause my pockets swelling up, I need a motherfucking ice pack. Remember when they used to try me back when I ain't fight back. But now the fuck crackers know what's up, they know I don't like that. Cracker, you had the nerve. If I pull up on them after dark, then you know something served. They hit the station on me once, and ever since they won't return. Cause they was trying to teach a jit some shit he not supposed to learn. And lately I've been
Hey, on God. They said they were trying to teach some shit, nigga. Like, it's just some shit, bro, you don't supposed to teach a motherfucker. But niggas gonna do what they gonna do. He teach them some bad shit. That's just how it be, bro. That's just how this life. It's Hakuna Matata. It's life, bro.
teach a jit some shit he not supposed to learn. And lately I've been going nuts. Macadamia, low up and fire him up. You'll think he practiced pyromania. Scary sight.
That nigga said now he be going nuts. Macadamia. What y'all know about the macadamia Subway cookies, nigga? The Subway, not no any other macadamia. If you ain't eating no Subway macadamia cookie, you're lame. Okay? Fuck a chocolate chip, fuck a oatmeal raisin, nigga. Who the fuck even eats raisins? Macadamia cookie, nigga. BLP know what's up, nigga. Come on. You feel like, nigga, macadamia. Those bitches be hitting for real, though.
Macadamia, low up and fire him up. You'll think he practiced pyromania. Scary sight. But that's alright, cause we got bitches that gon' change it up. She wanna shoot a movie in the tele Transylvania. That's my dog, and he gon' drop the shit just like a hernia. Road running, doing shows, so tell the DJ turn me up. Gotta blow my whistle, baby, here we go, hurry up. I know her pussy a little hairy, but I don't give a furry fuck.
Ooh, pause, nigga, pause. See, now that I can't be doing no fucking Cactus Bush, nigga. No. I'll go call George Bush up or something and tell that nigga, hey, I'll go call my land nigga, the nigga to come weed eat that bitch. I'm not doing no cactus pussy. No, BLP. I ain't doing no cactus pussy, bro. That shit dead. Nigga, no. Cause you get the nut in that, you get the nut on that motherfucker, and that motherfucker going through the hairs, nigga. That bitch the sperm going through the hair like it's a jungle, my nigga. They don't know where the fuck to go. It's stuck right there, then it's got fucking shit, man, no. It's like raindrops in that bitch. It's just spreading every fucking one, nigga. Nah, I ain't doing that with BLP. Nah. Can't even do it.
Still a hairy, but I don't give a furry fuck. Yeah. Look at life from different point of views, there's many options. Put yourself in somebody else's shoes and get to walking. They say kosher shit, you fly, BLP, Mary Poppins. If I see them boys in person, Glock gon' sing like Janis Joplin. My chopper on his period, circumcision on the buck. I'm about to switch the clip, and yeah, I get to the bag, no colostomy. I'll be shitting, jitting them boys, pussy cat, they shooting houses, call them ripping dick. It's for some R-E-S-P-E-C-T and just a little bit.
Hey, just a little bit. Yeah. Hey man, look, hey, I told y'all BLP be lit, man. You know, I fuck with bro. You feel me? Like he did, man. He needed shine for real, bro. But nah, that was that BLP Kosher-Antlers, man. Y'all keep dropping your bid requests. I'll let you know if I got to it, if I haven't. But nah, the BLP, man, keep doing your thing. Shout out to you, boy. But y'all make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, dog, and that stuff. Turn on the post notifications if you don't subscribe. Man, y'all go and finish that for me, man. Hyper Jalen out.